a salt truck threw salt at me. Hey, the roads ain't bad at all. They're a little slippery, but they're not bad. But guess what? I'm an idiot. I'm pretty sure I left my freaking headphones on my table. You don't see them on the table? Then that might mean I have them somewhere.
They're right here.
Dang it! I knew it! I knew it! Shoot! Nah, don't come out. I've got headphones in my drawer. I looked at it and I was like, I know I'm gonna forget these, and then I forgot them. Grr, I'm mad at myself.
It'll take you long to get there.
No, because there's no traffic. But I will tell you that when I was driving, I'm like, oh my God, a salt truck threw salt at me. Hey! Like, I heard it, like it was pinging all over on my Jeep. And then
That's like with the S10, how it bounces off.
And the thing is, like, he was coming at me, so he was like spraying it, so he could have stopped.
It covers from grass to grass.
Right, but he didn't.
That sprays enough to get 4 lanes, and they're only hitting 2 around here. The
Well,
faster they go, like when they turn the machine on,
yeah.
the faster they get it to spin, the farther it throws it, so they slow it down so it don't waste as much.
Well, he could have stopped it when he was coming past me. I just thought that was rude. I was like, that's kind of uncalled for. So, I don't know. But then I was, like, right by the office, and I saw another salt truck, and he was spraying it, and he saw me, and he stopped. And I, like, waved at him, like, thank you for not being ignorant. So, alright, babe, I'm gonna head inside. I just wanted to call you and tell you that I'm an idiot.
Alright.
Alright, I'll give you a call when I go to lunch. I love you.
Love you.
Bye. Oh, jeez. I can't believe I did that. I'm so stupid. You guys, we got some snow. Look at that. I don't know. We still don't know if it's supposed to accumulate to anything. But I think it's supposed to snow from, like, what is it now? Like 8 o'clock to, like, 4 o'clock.
Yeah, 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Yay. So, I should go get my PJs, put them on backwards, and do the snow dance, shouldn't I, babe?
I don't know about that.
Drink a little wine, do the snow dance, it's all good.